public safety, situational awareness is a team sport. I could not be more excited to be here at Interpol Drone Expert Summit, talking about how industries working together to make drone operations truly collaborative.
What an amazing experience we've had here, coming together with industry leaders throughout the world. I'm looking forward to what the future holds for the public safety with drones. Thank you so much.
This conference is important because this is the front edge of tomorrow. I believe in 20 years from now, much of policing is going to be done with drones and robotics and artificial intelligence, automating most of the mundane sorts of activities and the most dangerous. Right? Drones and robotics are especially good at tasks that are dangerous.
One of the great opportunities at a conference like this is not just to talk about the technology, but to actually demonstrate how these drones work with other types of technology in a really challenging environment.
And this is a fantastic opportunity for us in the UK to demonstrate what we are doing with drones in policing, but equally to learn from all of our other partners.
And part of 2.0 is automating DFR operations, so it's great to see various automated solutions helping push DFR forward.